Where does Jamaica get oil from? The Russia-Ukraine conflict is understandably causing concern across the world about the possibility of a pending food crisis and disruptions to the oil supply chain. Thankfully, at present, Jamaica has fixed contracts with Colombia, Ecuador, Brazil, and Barbados to supply us with crude oil and the finished product. The contract periods vary for each country. For example, Barbados supplies us with approximately 60,000 barrels of crude oil every 2 months, while other contracts are yearly. Barbados' crude oil was previously refined by Petrogram, a state-owned oil refinery located in Trinidad and Tobago, but in 2018 the company closed down. Therefore, in 2019, they signed a contract with Petrogram Limited, an oil refinery in Jamaica, to provide them with oil. Petrogram is Jamaica's only oil refinery. For some reason, I have not been able to access their website. However, according to this GIS article, Petrogram is a limited liability company jointly owned by PDV Caribe, a subsidiary of Petróleos de Venezuela, PDVSA, and the Petroleum Corporation of Jamaica, PCJ. The PCJ is a statutory body created and wholly owned by the government of Jamaica. In addition, between February 22 to 24 of this year, there was a Jamaica-Nigeria Joint Commission meeting where they discussed a Memorandum of Understanding MOU regarding oil and gas exploration arrangements between the two countries. They discussed the possibility of Nigeria supplying Jamaica with crude oil and providing technical support to help Jamaica to enhance its oil refinery operation. The world crisis emphasizes the need for energy conservation, not only so that as a household you can save money, but also as a country. And it also emphasizes the need for the creation of alternative energy sources. For example, in Jamaica, we do have Wigton Wind Farm, which is currently the largest wind farm facility in the English-speaking Caribbean. The company is in control of 3 farms, Wigton 1, which began operating in 2004 and is able to produce 20.7 megawatts, and Wigton 2, an 18 megawatt extension facility that was commissioned in 2010. They said 3, but I just counted 2. All of which are located in Rose Hill, Manchester. According to their website, the energy produced is able to reduce Jamaica's oil consumption by over 65,000 barrels annually. In addition, the energy produced is clean energy as opposed to energy produced by fossil fuels that cause the emission of greenhouse gases. Now I have a few questions for you. Do you think we should be moving more towards clean energy, or do you believe that we should also seek to find oil in Jamaica? And if we do find oil in Jamaica, should the focus be on building up the country's oil reserves so that we have enough if and when there is an emergency, or should we focus more on selling most of it to earn revenue for the country? For example, the USA currently has the largest known emergency oil supply in the world, known as the Strategic Petroleum Reserve, SPR. The oil is stored in salt caverns located underground in Texas and Louisiana. It has been reported recently that President Biden is thinking of tapping into those reserves because of the current world crisis. Now, let me know what you think in the comments. And if you are interested in tracking oil in Jamaica from 1924 to 2022, then hop on over to this next video.